Do you want to serve a good salad and you don't know where to put it? Now I'll show you how to make a pizza box. Let's start from our pizza dough. Open your dough like this, without any edges. Press it. Turn it and do it again. Make this movement now and open a while. Don't open it too much, it's not a pizza. Put the top part as bottom now. And make some holes with your nails in the middle. Then we have to fold it like a box, like this. And continue until we have this kind of effect. Okay? Now we move it on the shower. And we bake it with the same oven set than normal pizza. Now we are going to fill it. For example, we can use Kirsicka tomati, we can mix it with mozzarella, and then some basil leaves, pinch of salt, olive oil, and some black pepper. Then in our box, like this. For make it shiny, put a bit of oil on the edges. This is my way for fill it up. You can choose whatever you want. It's good with radicchio, with salad, with whatever you like. Enjoyed it.